Hello students. Hello students. Welcome in class 2 in maths lecture. Hello. Hello. Hello students. Welcome in class 2 in maths lecture. Today in this video we are going to study about 3-digit numbers up to 500. Okay. Already we have studied day before yesterday from 100 to 101 to 200. Now everybody has to open the textbook. I am giving 2 seconds to open the textbook. Page number 8. You have to open the textbook. Page number 8. Okay. Page number 8. Open the page number 8. Ready? Okay. Now listen. From exercise 1.1, you are going to solve that question 1 in your notebook. You are going to solve that question 1 in your notebook. Write the missing numbers from 101 to 200. That question you are going to write down in your notebook, and question 2 we will do it here. Okay. So what is the question 2? Read the number. Read the number, name and write the number. Write the number. Full stop. So A1. 103. You have to write 103. 103. You have to write it down in a number. This is a number name. You have to write down in a number. So how you are going to write this? 103. 103. This will be your answer. Okay. Is this clear for you all? Yes. Okay. Now we will move to the next. Okay. B1. What is the B1? B. Number B. 100. 153. FIFTY 53. So who is going to write? Who is going to write? Who is going to tell me? 153. How do we write 153? Chalo, I am waiting for your answer. $153. How do we write 153? Chalo, come on fast. Okay, I will show you. 153. 3. Very good. Chalo, we will move to the next. Now C1. Number C. 115. 115. FIFTEEN. 50. No. 15. 115. Chalo, come on. Write your answer. 115. Day before yesterday you have studied about these numbers, yes? And you have written also in the notebook and you have sent me. Yes or no? Some of you have sent me, some of you have not sent. So those who are not sending me the regular homework, they have to send it. Okay, very good. So 115. So what will be a 115 will be the answer. Now we will move to the next question. D. 100. Again 118. EIGHTEEN. 118. Chalo, write down. 118. 118. 118. So this will be the answer. 118. 118. We will move to the next. E1. 140. 140. 40. 40. So how you are going to write 140? You have to write the number, not number names, okay? Because I am giving the number names. What is our question? Read the number name and write the number. So even we are doing 140. So what is there? 140. 140. That's good. Now we will move to the next. Last one. F1 is left now, okay? From this exercise, from this question. F1. Question 1, you are going to do it at your home, okay? In the notebook. F1. 145. 145. Chalo, write down. Very good. 145. Okay. That's good. Now what we will do? Again, question number 3. Have you opened your notebook? Have you opened your notebook? Page number 9. Now 8 we have finished. Now page number 9. We will move to the page number 9. You can see the in your textbook. Page number 9. Page number 9. Write the numbers and number names from 111 to 140. Page number 9. Okay. So we are going to write the numbers from 111 to 140. Okay. Chalo, start writing. Question number 3. Write numbers and number names from 111 to 140. Chalo, make 2 columns and write down, otherwise in one column also we can write it. Okay, so this is a question. Now we will start with our answer. Okay, first of all you have to write down the number. You are going to write the number 111 dash. How you are going to write? 111. What is the spelling of 11? What is the spelling of 11? ELEVEN. This is the spelling of 11. What will be the next number? 112. Who is going to tell me next number? I am waiting. I am giving you 2 seconds to complete your work. Next is 212. Chalo, start. Yes, come on. 112. You have to write down the number name, not number. Number I have written. You can see it on the board. You have to write down the number. Very good. 112. TWELVE. Very good. Next. 113. Chalo, write down 113. 113. We all know the spelling of 1. We all know the spelling of 100 also. Now you are going to tell me the spelling of 13. So what will be the spelling of 13? I am giving you 2 seconds. Can I count till 5? 1, 2. Who is going to give me the answer? Very good. 13. So what is the spelling of 13? THIRTEEN. 13. That's good. Now we will move to the next number. What will be the next number? 114. 114. Chalo, same way we are going to write 100. We all know the spelling of 100. Now I am waiting for your answer. 14. Chalo, I am counting till 5. You have to give me answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Who is going to give the answer? Yes, come on fast. 14. I am talking about 14 now. 104, no, 14. 114. Yes, come on fast. FOURTEEN. So this is a 14. Okay. 14. Now we will move to the next number. 115. 115. What is the spelling of 15? 15. 15. FIFTEEN. FIFTEEN. 15. So this is the answer. Okay, we will move to the next number now. 116. 116. Okay. So same way you all are going to write this number till 140. Okay, 140. Yes, in between I will ask you. Okay, any number I will give and you are going to tell me the number name. Chalo, tell me what is this? What is the number? 121. Chalo, write the number name of this. 121. Chalo, write them. I'll count till 5. Within that time you have to complete your work. Very good. Before that you have completed. Very good. So how you are going to write? 100 21. TWENTY 21. Okay, now next number I will give you. Okay, 118. Chalo, start writing. 118. HUNDRED 100, and the spelling of 18 is 18. Now next number is 118. Yes, 118. 18. So I'm counting till 5. Within that time you have to give me answer. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. EIGHTEEN. EIGHTEEN. 18. That's very good. Now next number I will write you for. Which one I will write? 120. 120. 100. HUNDRED 120. TWENTY 220. Okay. Is that clear for you all now? Yes? Okay, now listen to me. On lesson number 4, we have studied about the lesson number 4, addition. So on Friday I am going to take the assignment on that lesson. Okay, lesson number 4, addition. So on that lesson I am going to take a test. Okay, so you have to prepare for that. You have studied the addition? Yes? Chalo, next numbers. We will move to the next. Now missing numbers. We will see the missing numbers. Okay? You have to tell me the missing numbers. Missing numbers. Dash, 102, dash and dash. Chalo, tell me. This is a A1. Then we will go to the B1. Chalo, tell. Missing numbers. I am counting till 5. Within that time you have to give me answer. Okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, now I will show you. Before 120, before number, we have studied about the before numbers and after numbers in class 1, in senior KG also. So you have to see that whether, now this is a 1 number, 1. So that will come as it is. 0 will also come as it is. Before 2, you have to see the ones place, and you have to see that. Before 2, which number will come over there? 1. So it's a 101. Now it's a easy. After 102, same way you have to write this 110s, you have to write as it is, 1, 0, and after 2, which number comes? We all know that 3. So 103. Yes. After this, which number comes over here? 104. 104. Okay. 104. Now we will move to the next. Okay. To fill in the blanks, 2 missing numbers. 163 dash 165 dash and dash. Chalo, start writing. What will come? Chalo, come on. Very good. Now B1 I have given dash dash 163 dash 165 dash and dash. Now you have to see first of all these 2-digit numbers. Okay. This ones and tens place. You have to see the ones and tens place, because we are here we are talking about 100. Over here we are talking about 100. So first of all you have to see the 3, the ones place, 3. Before 3, which number comes? 2. So you have to write down 2. Easy method I am telling. Then before 6. Is there any number before 6? No, we have to write down the 6 as it is, because we are talking about the 163. 63 stable, 160. Okay, and 1 will come as it is. Okay. Then here, now we will talk about the 2 in a ones place. What is there in a ones place? 2. So before 2, which number comes? 1. So we will write 1, then 6 will be as it is, and then 1 will be as it is. So 161, 162, 163, and next number will be 164. After 3, which number comes? 4. And already this 165 is given. Now after this, which number comes? 166. After 5, which number comes? 5. You have to think about the only ones place. Now after 6, which number comes? 167. 167. Okay, that's it. Okay, have you all understood? You have to solve the exercise 1.1 question 1 in your notebook. Okay, can I write it down over here? Yes, so you will understand. Exercise 1.1, you are going to see this exercise. (1.1). Okay, question 1. This you are going to write down in your notebook. Okay, that's it for today. And whatever I am giving the Google form on the Google Classroom, you have to solve that. Okay, yes, and you have to submit it to me. So I will see whether you are solving or no. And on Friday you will be having a test. You will be having a assessment of which lesson? Lesson number 4. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.